Hey, Dad. Yeah? When are we gonna get our regular car back because of the accident? It's been 2 months, though. So, we're still using Grandpa's car. Why? It's not back. And also, I want to show you something. Come with me. Okay, go in the vehicle. Where's the vehicle? Outside. Why? Just because. Okay, son. Come. Already in. You know, son. So. We're going to go on a back road. Why? There's a lot of construction and also there's a lot of idiots on the road. Okay. Dad? Yeah? Why are we not going on it? There's no, we have to. Why? It's too late to turn. Plus, there's no back roads to that dealership. The closest one is like 0.3 miles. So, hey, Dad. Yeah. Also, I found some papers under your bed. What? Yeah, you sold the luxury SUV, the QX80, I think. Yeah, I did. You know, so don't spoil the surprise. I don't want to have you not being surprised. That's what I mean by that. So we're gonna make this turn. Make this turn, the only turn. Hey, Dad. Yeah. Where am I going to be? Okay, go in the dealership and wait there for 30 seconds. Okay. Stare at a wall. Okay. Son, come out. Okay. Dad, how did you do it? What? Dang, this car is so nice. Whoa, Dad, this is a nice car. Yeah. It is. Hey, Dad. Yeah. So, why did you sell the old car? Not give it to me or something. You already have a car. Oh, I had that Subaru, but I had an accident into it. You did what? Yeah, I got into an accident. Come on, son. And this is why I don't want him to come with here. Dad, this is so smooth. I know. I'm not gonna be smooth if anyone is gonna not follow the rules. Fuck. Okay. Okay, this is why I don't want to come here. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Plus, there's some good cars. Oh, that's a Ford! Right there. I see a Ford right there. Yep, me too. So, son, we have to wait here for like trillions of years. Oh yeah, there's a huge accident here. That's why. Hey Dad, what are we gonna do? Nothing right now. There's a huge traffic jam here. Oh, come on. Right there. Okay, just play on your phone. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Can you please turn that off? Okay, I'm just gonna lower it then. Okay, son. I'm gonna try to do something very dangerous. Hey, Dad! A T-Rex! Impatient T-Rex driver got impatient. Nice. You can't! Okay, son, we're good. This is not part of the video. Phew, this took a long time. Yeah. So, when we get home, get your Subaru from the garage. Why? Because we need to use it. Why? Or else it's not going to work. Because if it doesn't work, you are going to be stranded because I will leave you when you turn 21. And you're already 18, so. I mean 17, I think. What? It's been too long. Okay. There we go. Turn it off! Okay. Okay, son. Get your ugly Subaru here. Right this moment. Okay. Get it, I got it out. Okay. Come back in. We're gonna get some parts because I know it barely runs. Yeah. How do you know that? Because it's barely even started. It says, yeah. I'll show you the video I took, okay? Give me a sec. Okay, I found the video. Okay, that was. This is the second time you tried to start. And it almost started, but you didn't. But okay, that's all the videos. And then after the fourth one, it started. Oh, I don't remember it now. I thought you remember everything. Yeah, but that was in my dreams. Ew. Dad, what are we gonna do? We're gonna get food. I'm not going to do that traffic jam ever again. Because I hate that. And, I'm not gonna lie. I'm rich. What? I was going to tell you we're poor, but we're not. I have like 19K standing. Okay, so I'll get your food and get mine. Okay. But why me? Get my credit card. Oh. Gets. Gets everything. Okay, Dad, I got everything. Okay, give me everything. But nice. Chicken sandwich. Oh. Okay, I'm good. You ate that in one bite? Yeah. I was super hungry. I was been fasting for 8 years. What? Yeah, you didn't hear me? It says no turn on red. It says yes, turn on red if there's no cars coming. Dang, boy. And that's why I don't like people. And that same reason. Same reason. Oh, yeah. Okay. I like this car. Yeah, me too. It's like the best car you bought. Oh, come on. Oh. What is this? Construction. Can't you see it? Yeah, I can see it. I want my coffee. Chicken stack. Don't have no cop. Daddy, did broke your car? No. Okay, son. Just give me a extra large iced coffee for me. Okay. With no ice. What does it mean then? And then you can have a cappuccino. Small, extra small. Why? Extra small latte and extra large. Large. Yep. Latte. Ice latte. Here. Hey, here, Dad. It doesn't fit in my cup holder. You said extra. Large. It's not large. It's large. Oh. Okay, son. And we get. Oh, crap. Did you almost crash? Yeah. I'm not paying attention that much. How are they supposed to fit a car through this? I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna do... Okay, there, son. How did it fit through it? Dark magic. So, son, we're gonna drive the Subaru. Oh yeah, I can do it a different way. Why a different way? I don't like that way. What way are you gonna do? The neighborhood. The best place ever to exist. Why? It's mostly forgotten. Oh. So probably too much people forgot where it is. The Centuria. What? Oh. I'm not gonna do that one. I know the perfect... Yes. What did I see? Heaven. There's just a little gap so I can go turn into the neighborhood. Oh, yay! Best ever. Am I dead? That's the best maneuver you ever did in history of years. What? Yeah, because your new maneuvers is maneuvers. It's not okay, son? I know, but I can't spell. Go to school then. That's why I enrolled you into classes of crapping screw. That is school, not screw. It's been 30 years since I heard it, so. 30? I thought you were 40. I mean 40. What? Come on, son. Be quiet. Okay, here, son. Look. No more suffering over there. But it took like 30 years. No, it didn't. Yes, it did. Was it in your dreams? No. Is my car gonna be still there? Because I forgot to lock it. Yes, it is. It's gonna be still there. The crime rate for Subarus are very, very low. Because Subaru, they look poor, so. Oh. But Dad, can I get a new car? No. Why? Because I need you to have a new car. In the near future. Because you have $9K. Fine, you can get a new car. Because that car sucks. Okay, make sure it doesn't do that thing again. I won't try. Okay. Come on. Come on! There you go. Nice, son. Let me in. Okay. Why though? I am better than driving than you. Because remember the time you actually crashed into a tree? Actually a fence in Movalage Valley. Yeah. That's it. Okay, son. When we get there, you can get whatever car you want, but it has to be in your budget. If it's not in your budget, you can't get it, or else I will. If I have to give my some of my money to you, you're going to be cooked. How? You won't have to own the car. I will own it for you. Oh. Okay, Dad. Don't look at me. You barely even use this. How? It's at the odometer is at 1 mile. It's not. I swear it is. I'm looking on it and it says it. It's probably in your mind. No, it's not. I am been driving for 30 years. Since you're 10? 22 years. Since you're 18? Yes. Actually, 20, 30, 4 years. Since you're 16? Yes. You can get whatever car you want. Then I got my new car. Holy crap, it's a crap hole. What do you mean by that? It's a 5-cylinder. You good about it? Kinda. Kinda looks nice though. Remember this as real life. Rental car. Oh wait, wrong way. Did I run to do now? Not go this way. So Dad, what I'm gonna do now? Go home and sleep. If we can. I don't know if we can. How do you don't know? Oh, never mind. What? This is paper thin, so. Oh, yeah. Should have gone that way. Oh, it's too late. Dang it! Ow. Bark box. Yay! Nice. Yay! There's a car that has DRLs that work instead of the older versions. Do you like this, Dad? Dad? I don't know. What? Yeah, when you get home, you better sleep or else. Okay. And that's what I mean by drivers that don't know how to drive. Yeah. Same with that one. Same with that one. That's a lot of people. Same with that one. Dang, that's a lot of people. And also that one. What? Not that BMW, but... Wait, did someone steal your car? No. I locked it, remember? It's a nice vehicle. I don't want to use it. What is it? Okay, you in? Sleep. Open the door! There. Nice day to be alive. No. Son, bend over. Never mind. Yay! Get down!